What's cracking, Jump Nation family? It's your boy here, Rushy, yes, aka the Jump Rope Coach. In today's video, people, we're going to be taking you through the top 5 stretches you can be doing to help improve your skipping game and avoid injuries. I've got my guy here, Joey Scott from Cutdefined Fitness.
What's cracking, my people?
There we go, man. You know Joey from our workout series for sure. But Joey's gonna be surprising me. I don't know what he's gonna show me, to be fair, but just cool 5 exercises to help us with our calves, glutes, all the injury kind of prone areas when you are skipping. So we're gonna get straight into this video, people. Remember, hit that subscribe button, check our ropes, YouTube 10 for 10% discount. You know the place to be. Right, Joey, let's come back here, man. So we're not gonna be doing any skipping, by the way. I just have this rope because it feels weird when I do an intro without any ropes. So most of my peeps always complain about kind of calf injuries, right? So maybe you could take us through your best kind of calf exercise or stretch.
All right then, cool. So we're gonna put our left leg in front, first one. Yeah, we're gonna get our right leg out, and we're gonna kind of try to put it down on the floor.
So the heel on the floor, yeah?
On the floor, yeah?
Yeah.
So gradually, we can start to bend forward.
Nice.
The more you bend forward, engaging your core, remembering to breathe,
yeah, I feel that.
the more you go down is the more intense you're gonna feel the stretch in the calf.
Yeah.
So you can hold here for like 15 seconds, repeat 3 times.
Yep.
Then
Yeah, like,
swap into your other leg.
got you. And then same on the
thing
other
applies.
side.
Nice straight back, getting that leg out.
And straight down, yeah. So
then
so
straight
3
down.
sets of like 15 seconds and hold and
Yeah.
And we're saying after the workout is always best to stretch, yeah?
Yeah.
Cool. All right, so the next one is they complain about lower back pain. A
Lower back.
lot of people can't complain about
All
that.
right, cool. So we can go down to our child's pose position.
Yep.
So we'll be here, hands in front, stretch down. Feel that more in your upper back as well, but you put your arms forward.
Oh wait, arm straight, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I see. What's this called? Child's pose.
Yeah, it's like a yoga pose.
This one's nice. Oh, you can definitely feel
in
that.
your back.
Yeah. And we're trying to focus on what, trying to get our bum up to the sky kind of thing.
Yeah. There. And then you could do a bit of cat cow as well.
So it's kind of like bending over.
Yeah. So down, working that lower back part.
Okay, this one's nice.
Down here and up. Yeah.
Nice.
Another one we can go straight into is
Yeah.
for if you've got tight glutes.
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh, mate, this one.
One leg forward.
Oh wait, I don't know how to start this one, mate. How you doing this?
Here. So you put your left leg up.
Yeah.
Obviously, I'm not that flexible,
Mate, you look flexible.
but you put your right leg out at the back, left leg up, and then you kind of try to
Mate,
sit down, put the pelvic floor muscle down.
so this is really good for my hip as well, right?
hip
Because
flexors, glutes, lower back. If you kind of turn as well, you
turn
can feel the
out.
stretch in the lower back. If you
Oh
turn
yeah.
to
I
the
think when
right.
you turn out, you can definitely feel it
Yeah.
even more, man.
Yeah.
That one feels
down,
good.
If you go forward as well, intense as the stretch. If you sit down, straight in a straight line, breathing, intense as the stretch. So you swing over,
And do the other side, yeah.
other leg.
What's a good exercise for kind of, would you say, shoulders? Can someone do shoulders? Like I'm thinking for people that use the legacy rope, like the heavy one.
Oh, the heavy rope.
Yeah.
So basically I'll show you that one after this.
Yeah.
So another again, people breathe in, trying to go down flat. Then you feel all the stretch around the hips, glutes.
I don't even know if I'm doing this right, but it feels good.
Yeah.
That feels good.
So your back leg just needs to be out straight a bit more.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Like out here?
there,
Yeah.
good. Remembering to breathe and try and put this side of the body down onto the floor.
Yeah, that's what's hard, isn't it?
Yeah. So that's gonna be
That's a
where,
really good stretch, man.
Yeah. So you feel that shoulders.
Yeah. You got one? Something basic?
Yeah. You can just go here.
Yeah, that's cool.
Hands across the body.
Yep.
Yeah. If you've got tight shoulders as well, yeah, you can do this type of movement.
Yeah, this is good.
Yeah.
So this stuff's really good because when people use the heavy rope, they always talk about kind of getting stress on their shoulders.
Yeah. So you can just
So-
do this like a minute.
Yeah.
You know, breathe in, then you can come away. So medial rotation
Yeah.
as well. If you've got like some little weights or bottle of water to intensify the
Yeah.
movement in the shoulders.
Yeah.
These strengthen up all the little muscles
Nice.
around in the shoulders. Yeah, so standing straight.
Just get the
medial
rotator cuff.
rotation, yeah, for the shoulders.
And you got
Circumduction as well. Here.
yeah. These are good to
Yeah.
loosen up the whole rotator cuff. don't
Just loosen up the shoulders before you stretch. Before you're skipping
they? Yeah.
as well.
Just warm
As
up.
you said, you know, the shoulders can tend to get
Kind of tight,
feel
yeah.
tight when
And stress, yeah.
skipping. Yeah.
What's the last one, man? You got a little wild card, good stretch just for all round that you love using for like all types of exercises.
I got like my downward dog one.
Yeah.
This is like a good yoga pose. So you're stretching the upper body.
Oh man. Oh, this, I can feel this in my hamstrings.
hamstrings.
This one's good. And
Yeah, and then I like to go down into the cobra, stretching the lower back as well, chest, pectoralis major muscles.
nice.
Yeah.
This is a good move.
Remembering to breathe, and then you can just go back up. Yeah, so you feel the stretch in the shoulders.
Yeah.
The more you come back towards the feet,
Oh yeah.
is the more you feel it in the. Then I'll give you one more special one.
Yeah, go on.
So
Oh,
here, abductors,
Shit.
adductor muscle, so inner thigh. It's called the frog. Well, I like to call it the frog. So heels are on the floor. Yeah.
Yeah.
So you put the heels towards the floor, go forward, knees. You feel
Oh
it?
man, yeah.
Then you go forward,
Feel that in the kind of groin area, man.
groin area,
Hips.
hips. Then you can stretch. The further you get the arms out, then you give it a little rock backwards and forwards for the inner thigh.
Mate, that is
Feel it?
an amazing. I've never seen that before, to be fair.
Yeah. So that's a good one for in here.
Joey, that was sick.
Yeah. Hope
Don't-
you
don't leave me
enjoyed
hanging.
that, man.
Definitely.
Hope you enjoyed that.
Guys, you have to go check Joey's channels out. His IG, his YouTube, I'll leave down below. Thank you for that again, bruv.
Yeah.
Try and implement these after you're skipping workouts, even after any workout. But yeah, listen, we want you guys to stay safe, healthy, fit. Don't neglect these stretches, right?
Don't neglect them.
That's it, man. Quick and easy video. Go share it with your friends and family. Remember, this is for all levels, not just beginners. And yeah, fly boss as always, guys. So I'll see you in that next video. So take care of yourself. Skip the treadmill. Stay safe. Peace.
Was the knight in shining armor in your movie? Would put your lips on mine and love the aftertaste now.